Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question here. It says, which of the following statements about secondary sewage treatment is true? Option 1 or the first statement, useful aerobic microbes grow rapidly and form flocks of bacteria and fungi. Statement 2 says reduction of BOD occurs due to the aerobic microbial growth. Option 3 or the statement 3 in fact, the microbial sediment is called activated sludge. Then statement 4 says, except for inoculum, rest of the remaining part is passed into anaerobic sludge digester. Okay, so let us see. So first we have to look for which of the statements are true about secondary sewage treatment. The first statement says usage of aerobic microbes grow, useful aerobic microbes grow rapidly and form flocks of bacteria and fungi. That is absolutely right because during the secondary, if we talk about during secondary sewage treatment, okay, which happens after what? After primary treatment. Okay, after primary treatment, the effluent will be sent to the tanks which are called as the aeration tank. What are this? Aeration tank. So aeration tank, why? Because they have these fan-like agitators, you can say. These are agitators, which will agitate the medium containing or the, you can say, sewage water. And this sewage water consists of lot amount of what? Organic matter. It consists of lot of organic matter. Now this or these organic matter can be, or this organic matter can be easily digested by many bacteria and fungi which are growing here. Okay, so during aeration, what will happen? It increases the oxygen in this water, and that helps in growth of, microorganisms. Okay, and what type of microorganisms? What type of microorganism? That is aerobic microorganism, because it is happening. There is oxygen in it. Okay, and it is an aeration tank, so air is there. So that means these microorganisms which we are talking about, like bacteria and fungi, they are like aerobic in nature. Okay, and further after aeration, what is done? Then it is allowed to settle down. Of course, because of this, what will happen? These organisms will feed on the organic matter, and they will reduce the BOD of the water. Biological oxygen demand will be reduced. Okay, and then what happens? Then it is allowed to settle. So when it is settled, these bacteria and fungi, they form clump-like structure which we call them as flocks. And these flocks will slowly settle down, and this is what we call it as activated sludge. Why? Because it has active organisms, living organisms, aerobic organisms. So let us see. Option A says useful aerobic microbes grow rapidly and form flocks of bacteria and fungi. That is absolutely right. Option 2 says, or statement 2 says, reduction of BOD occurs due to aerobic microbial growth. Yes, absolutely right. Because aerobic microbes are growing, they are capable of they are capable of digesting the organic matter, and hence they are reducing the BOD. That is also correct. Then statement 3 says the microbial sediment is called activated sludge. Yes, because it consists of active organisms, right? So that is also correct. Option 4, except for the inoculum, rest of the remaining part is passed into anaerobic sludge digester. That is also correct. So this activated sludge, here you have activated sludge. So except for little, which is used for next round of aeration, this inoculum or this activated sludge will be sent for anaerobic digestion. Okay, where anaerobic organisms are added. Anaerobic sludge digestion or sludge digester. Where anaerobic organisms will try to digest the activated sludge. So they try to actually digest the aerobic microorganisms which are present in the activated sludge. That is what is anaerobic sludge digestion. So that is also correct. So according to us, option 1A, that is 1, 2, 3, and 4, all are correct. So that is absolutely right. Option B says 1, 3, and 4, which is, of course, they are correct, but it doesn't include all. And option C also doesn't include all, and option D also doesn't include all. So which is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A. That is the correct answer. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.